Every day, billions of liters of wastewater are produced in our homes. But what happens to it in areas without municipal sewage systems? The answer lies in a simple yet effective on-site solution: the septic tank. In this video, let's explore what a septic tank is, how it works, and why it's important for sanitation and the environment. A septic tank is an underground chamber, typically made of concrete, fiberglass, or plastic, used for treating domestic wastewater from toilets, bathrooms, and kitchens, commonly used in rural and suburban areas. It provides primary treatment of household sewage by separating solids and liquids, and using natural microbial activity to break down organic matter. These systems are predominantly used in rural or suburban areas, where connection to a centralized municipal sewage system is not feasible or available. The inlet chamber or collection chamber, where wastewater from the house first enters, allowing solids to settle and liquids to separate. Partial treatment, where anaerobic bacteria break down organic matter, reducing the volume of solids. The outlet chamber, where partially treated liquid, also called effluent, flows to a drain field for further purification. When wastewater enters the tank, it undergoes three natural processes: sedimentation, heavy solids settle at the bottom, forming sludge; flotation, oils, fats, and grease float to the top, creating a scum layer; anaerobic digestion, the anaerobic bacteria, including species of Clostridium, known for fermentation, and bacteroids, common in gut flora, alongside specialized methanogens, break down complex organic compounds in the sludge, reducing its volume and producing gases including methane, carbon dioxide, and trace amounts of hydrogen sulfide, which gives septic tanks their characteristic odor. The clarified liquid, or effluent, flows into a drain field or leach field, where it seeps into the soil. The soil acts as a natural filter, removing harmful bacteria, viruses, and nutrients before the water reaches groundwater. Over time, the sludge and scum layers build up and must be removed. That's why septic tanks need regular desludging or pumping, typically every 2 to 3 years, depending on household size and water use. Septic tanks have several advantages: low-cost installation and operation, simple design, no need for complex infrastructure, environmentally friendly if properly maintained. But there are also challenges. If neglected, septic tanks can overflow, clog, or contaminate groundwater. They are less effective for treating industrial wastewater or very large flows.